Okay, can we please talk carbide scrapers? These guys. They're going to make it way less sanding, but you need to be aware that it is still hard work and it is noisy as shit. Let me show you. Okay, so that's how much has come off so far, just with a little scrape over the top. It doesn't really even look like much lacquer has come off, but it has. And getting that top layer off will make sanding a lot easier. I guess I'm tossing up on a night when I'm doing this in my garage and my neighbors have got little kids. Is this thing going to be less noisy than using a sander? So let me give you a demo. It's not the best quality one. But from what I've read online, most people seem to have similar problems. Nails on chalkboard, anyone? Oops. So it is better if I push, which, you know, you can do. You can switch the blade around. It gets about the same amount off. Well, for this one it does. Don't know. Jury's out for me. It's a lot less mess though. The dust is contained, it's not in the air, it's not on my hair, it's not on my face. I'm not wearing a mask, as you can see. So I can do this inside, I don't have to go outdoors. I'd be grateful for some tips. All those YouTube videos out there that use a carbide scraper and just do this once and end up with this nice, clean, fresh bit of timber, you must be soaking that in some paint stripper before you do that, because this does not come off in one clean swipe. Well, as you can see, I have scraped a whole top layer off. This is how much has come off. Okay, fair bit. Maybe it's taken half an hour, 40 minutes, but you can see I haven't gotten it all the way through. Yeah, so now to sand it, I guess. I think maybe I could have achieved the same amount just with some 40 or 80 grit sandpaper. Okay, I'm going to give the carbide scraper another go. I've got these bedside tables that are lacquered and they've turned sort of orange like a lot of pine does. So let's have a look. I have to say, this is a lot better than the table that I previously did. You can see it coming off in big rolls of stuff and big flakes, and it's even taking all these stickers off as well. So I'm getting a lot off. Maybe it really depends on what kind of lacquer or clear coat was used prior. Maybe how old it is, I don't know. This is flaking off and rolling off really, really easily. I'm getting a ton of stuff off the top of this. No, it is not going down to total raw wood underneath. I'm not bypassing sanding at all, but it is definitely taking off a really thick layer of that top coat that's on there. So I'm hoping when I take to these with the sander now that it will be a really, really quick sand just to get the little bit of lacquer that's left off.